Ultrace 2023, let's go. Okay, so basically it doesn't rain now, but a couple hours ago, 2 hours ago, it was just madness here with the rain, and we know that on the way to Ultrace there is a lot of rain on the way, so we don't want Kevin to be wet inside, and it obviously doesn't have doors, so we are stretching it around and we are ready to go. Yes?
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay, we need an emergency stop.
Oh my god.
Is it?
How far out it is.
What do you say?
What is this?
This is our stretch, but we lost it.
I saw the traffic was slowing behind you and it was like 2 lines, red lights, and everyone is stopping because there was like going like boop, boop, boop.
Okay, so we are here, Wrocław Stadium, Ultrace 2023. We made it here, not without a hassle, but we are here. We need to unload Kevin quickly, right with it to our spot. The boys and girls are already there, they are setting up the shop. And Boogie and all the guys are coming here with 6 drift cars. It's still 1 hour before they are here, so we're gonna focus on Kevin now, and then we're gonna try to go and unload the drift cars. Let's see how it goes with driving Kevin on the wheels, with turning to the spot through the cars. Okay, we made it here, made it to Ultrace. I don't even know what to say. So many emotions in me right now, because last 2 weeks we were literally living in the garage. We were there morning till morning pretty much, and we made it here, and it's already a win for us. Doesn't even matter what happens next. The boys are cleaning Kevin, we are sorting out the shop, and I think this is where I finish filming, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning fresh. And the whole madness gonna start tomorrow, so I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are as well. See you tomorrow. Okay, good morning guys. We have Ultrace day 2. Yesterday was day 1, but I didn't film a single clip, and the reason is because it's so crazy here that I didn't even have a time to actually grab a camera. So I'm gonna try to get something out today. I'm gonna give you a quick round of our shop today. So this is the back of a shop. We have a much bigger tent this time. We didn't open it for today. The guys are preparing the shop for the customers. We got the clothes here and the till here. That's old Kevin's booth, and this is our sticker display. And here just next we have a warehouse with boxes with all the clothes. So we open in half an hour, and I'll show you outside of the tent, because that's the most crazy part. Well, one's bad.
That's all you needed.
We have Kevin here, and this is the queue. And it finishes here. That's our shop right there, and that's the queue. And we didn't even open, which is the craziest part. So that's the reason pretty much why I didn't film anything yesterday. We were just that's the busiest day in my life probably, with the shop and also with drifting downstairs with all the cars. We had to fix them. My days, look at the queue. So, otwieramy? Okay, let's open this madness. Best customers.
That's me. Okay. Okay, so Nissan S15. Guys, that's crazy. We have two guys from Poland in that round.
Wow.
Nissan S15, the black one. Kevin from NIGHTRIDE. And we knew already which car you like the most, but we will see what would be the final decision by judges.
All right, with you together, everybody, in 3, 2, 1. It's this shit. Let's ride. Do it all.
So Kevin is top 8, guys. Look at this, what's happening? 3, 2, 1. Quarterfinals. Make a huge noise for the Kevin and those guys because they made it during the last days. I know it's horrible, look at their faces. They were struggling a lot, but the result's impressive. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. Really. Thank you very much.
The event is almost over and it's about 6 p.m. and it's perfect time to take some pictures of Kevin. The good news is that the Ultrace people wanted to take pictures for the official Ultrace Instagram page and maybe the website. How does it feel?
Feels mad. And I don't even know. Kevin's driving. We're driving inside the stadium. Man.